Okay, so this is a 2-bedroom apartment. You have 1 bedroom over there, 1 bedroom over there. Here's the kitchen. This is different. I haven't seen one with, oh, soft close. I haven't seen one with drawers in the kitchen island, so that's a rare thing. Got a big fridge. This one has an electric stove. And then got a huge balcony on some built-in shelves over there. That's really cool. So yeah, let's check out this balcony and the view. So here's just another view of the living space in the kitchen. It's very spacious. And then here is the smaller of the bedrooms. Walking right into the closet. Ample storage here, and then bathroom. I love when they have the LED lighting and just brightens everything up. This wood finishes in a large tub right here. Now let's check out the other bedroom. This one has a large bedroom window. This bedroom is a little bit bigger too, and the ceilings are nice and high throughout this unit. So this bathroom is larger. It has the double vanities. Oh, I love this lighting. And then a walk-in shower and a separate tub. So you get both of them. And a walk-in closet. Okay, let's check out another bedroom. Okay, so this is a 1-bedroom. You can see the finishes are different. Got a decent sized balcony here. And we're still on the side where you can see the city. Actually, we're on the other side of the building now. We can still see the city. It's a pretty decent sized kitchen and living space. Stackable laundry. Here's the bedroom. Oh, the views. There's always a views for me. Closet. It's actually got storage area, shelves on both sides. In the bathroom. So this one has a shower. More storage up here. One thing I've noticed is that people don't really do the cabinets, you know, like medicine cabinets. That's like a thing of the past. Now everything is like sleek and hidden in drawers.